Hi, this is Brandon with your local weather. If you look outside, you will see the bad conditions we are in. The temperature right now is 50 degrees. We are currently experiencing a tornado. As you know, tornadoes are common in our state, Florida. The state capital is Tallahassee. Over to you, Brittany.
I am currently in West Palm. The winds are picking up and pulling everything in their path. Hail is falling everywhere in very large chunks. All roads are backed up with severe traffic. There has been about 3 accidents reported so far. One car is currently flipped over in the middle of the street, causing backup. People are rushing to get home to their loved ones and for shelter to protect them in this horrible disaster. That's all for now. Over to you, Nikki.
Hi, this is Nikki, and we are currently in 50-degree weather. We have figured out that this is a Category 3 storm. What that means is that winds are ranging from 158 to 206 miles per hour. Tornadoes are caused by warm, moist air masses and eastward-moving cold fronts. They usually form in the central states and move east. Usually tornadoes happen during the season of spring. Tornadoes form by a change in wind direction, which causes wind speeds to pick up. Air rises and tilts from horizontal to vertical. This forms a cloud, and the cloud soon begins to rotate. As a result, a tornado is formed. Stay tuned for Robbie with your safety tips.
Right after the break.
After the break!
And we keep waiting,
Waiting
on the weather to change. We keep on waiting, waiting on the weather to change. It's not that we can't hide, we just don't know if we'll survive. We keep on waiting, waiting on the weather to change.
Buy Robbie Rosen's album titled Weather for $8.95 at your local Target store.
And we're back. As you can see, we currently are in a tornado. Winds are picking up, and find shelter as soon as possible. Cars are not considered shelter. If you are in a car in a storm, you may get seriously injured. If you can, get to a strong building that will hold up in a strong storm. The basement is the best place to be within a house. If you can, keep away from the west and south walls. Keep all windows closed to prevent wind from coming in and destruction to happen. Stay tuned on the radio at all times for news about the storm. Be alert at all times on what is happening. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.
No, there's something white on me. It's slow.
You moron!
It's recording!
No, like this.
I'm currently... You're having fun. No!
This.
Nikki, sit here so you don't have to keep going.
I want. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
We keep on waiting.
Wait
on the weather to
change.
Weather. We keep on waiting.
Wait
on the weather to change. It's not that we can't hide.
I just know that I won't survive.
We keep on waiting. Wait on the weather to change. Wait on the weather to change. Wait on the weather to change. No, I want to be serious.
I am currently in West Palm. The winds are picking up and pulling everything in their path. Hail is falling everywhere in very large chunks. All roads are backed up with severe traffic.
Sorry.
Hi, this is Nikki, and we are currently in 50-degree weather around this.
Stop! You always do that. Why do you always have to mess things up? Hi, this is Brandon with your local weather. If you look outside, you will see the bad conditions we are in. The temperature right now is 50 degrees. We are currently experiencing a tornado.
I am currently in West Palm. The winds are picking up and pulling everything in their sight. Hail is falling everywhere.
Hi, this is Nikki, and we are currently in 50-degree weather.
Can I see your agenda? I don't even know what the homework is.
I don't have it with me.
Wait. Like, do we have English? We have science.
Obviously.
Yeah.
As usual. The upcoming homework. I think she's a horrible teacher.
Well, we always get bad grades on all of this, and everyone fails, and she doesn't
everyone
care.
fails, and when I ask a question, she doesn't even answer.
She puts 100 questions.
She doesn't even call anybody besides all those like Tiffany and all that.
Wait.
You gotta talk
I
about
can't
something
say.
first.
I can't
no,
say.
Brandon's not in it.
What, Miss Ellis is a bad teacher?
No, Sam, Just kidding, Mr. Rice. We love you.
And you too, Tiffany.